Okay, I'm back. It's been quite a while since I've done a video. I've been wanting to do a strainer pour, so I'm going to attempt that today for the first time. As you can see, I've got my colors all mixed up and ready to go. Didn't want to bore you with watching me mix them up. This dark purple, it's dioxazine purple. It was already mixed. I believe everything is pretty much 1 part paint to 4 parts Floetrol. This one seems a little thinner than the other ones, so it's probably got some water in it. But we're just going to go with it and see what happens. Maybe it'll come out okay. So the colors I'm using today, like I said, that one is Deco Art Dioxazine Purple. The next one is Deco Art Sapphire. The lighter purple is Anita's Hyacinth. This one is Anita's Island Green. The lighter one is Americana Bahama Blue. And then for the white today, I'm just using Anita's White. I'm going to cover the canvas. I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas. I'm going to cover the canvas in white, and then I'm going to pour the paint through a strainer, and I think I'm probably going to try to do a ring pour through the strainer, so we'll see how that works out. I'm going to go ahead and pour my cup. I haven't really figured out how I'm going to do this. I think I may go from darker to lighter. So I'm going to try to pour down the side of my cup. Oh yeah, that is kind of thin. Maybe that won't cause us issue. And as you can probably tell, I don't know how much of my table you can see, I'm working on a very messy table. I just didn't have to work all day today. Got off half day today, and so I thought I'd come home and do a little painting. I'm also going to do some Christmas crafting, trying to get some stuff ready to possibly do a couple craft shows between now and Christmas. I just can never seem to find the time to get up here and paint or craft. I love it. It's my me time. It's my escape time. And I'm probably getting way out of focus over there. Ooh, there went a blob. Don't have much of that light. Like I said, this is the first time that I'm trying the strainer pour. Never know till you try, right? I've seen some beautiful strainer pours in some of the groups that I'm in. I've been wanting to try it for a while. So maybe this will be the first of many for me. Ooh, I'm about to drop my stick. I'm thinking 2 rounds of that's probably going to be enough. I don't want my cup any more full than that, so I'm going to stop with that. Set that aside. Get some white on here. Maybe I won't make too big of a mess with this. I can find my These 12 by 12 canvases are just a little bit bigger than what I'm set up for. I need, oops, my Floetrol's been sitting for a while since I haven't, I'll get that out in a minute. Since I haven't, it's been a while since I've painted. Every time I get up here and get started, something else comes up and I have to walk away from it. So I'm glad that I'm at least going to get to do this one today. I had a couple different painting projects in mind, but may end up just getting to do this one today. But that's okay, because then that'll give me time to work on the video and hopefully get the video up pretty quick. Get some white over, just so when I start moving this around, maybe it'll help pull it to the edges. Alright, right now I think I wasn't quite prepared. I got these strainers. It comes in a set of 4 off of Amazon. So I'm just gonna sit him right in the middle. And I'm just gonna start pouring. And I've had the shakes today, so I'm not sure how good this tree ring is going to be, but one thing I did not do was check the level on my canvas. Seems to be going out relatively even. I can't see the one side, but it seems like it's going out pretty even. I'm not going to dump this whole entire cup. I think I'm getting ready to stop. I'll leave a little bit in there in case I need to do anything with the center. Well, it is going out that way just a little bit quicker. Let's see if I can prop that side up somehow. I'm liking the colors. I can see more lines over here than over here. This is kind of distorted a little bit. I'm not really sure. Well, not really distorted. I don't know. The lighter purple seems more predominant in that quadrant over there. Alright, let me see if I can get this out of here without making a huge mess. I'm going to try to lift it up slow so that maybe it might try to fill some of that center in. Well, hey, that didn't do too bad. So we've got some paint in the center there. I'm going to give it just a minute to see what it's going to do, and then I'm going to try to roll it around some. I want to try to keep it, I want to try to maintain as much of the pattern as I can, but I want to cover the whole canvas, so we'll see how that works out here. It's going to take some patience, maybe it won't distort too much. Maybe. I saw one the other day that was just amazing because they had their pour, it was almost perfectly centered in the canvas. It was almost like it wasn't moved at all. And it was perfectly round. It was the exact amount of space from one side to the other on the canvas. I don't know how she did it, but it was pretty awesome. I'm going to try to do this slow, but I have a hard time doing it and not getting frustrated and then just going real fast. I am loving the center. It looks cool. Okay, so my top went off the edge. Now my bottom's going off. So it is going to get distorted some. But you know what? It is what it is. I'm going to bring it back to center. Alright, I'm going to set that down for just a minute. Oh, it looks like I'm going to have to move it around because I'm going to start losing stuff off this. Well, alright, I'm going to take this side off since almost all the other sides are off. And then I'm going to go back to center, and then I'm going to aim for each corner and try to see if I can get some paint on each corner. But first I want to go a little bit more that way. I hope I'm not. I am. I'm dripping into my other paints that are sitting back there. Let me move these out of the way. I hope this lighting's okay. I've been working with my lighting up here for a while and I just can't seem to get it where I think that you can see good. But I'm going to keep working on it and we're going to get it the way it needs to be. Alright, I'm going to try to go to that top left corner up there. And I may just have to go for it and just do it. And then come back. And now I'm going to go top right. And I may try to do this. Well, that's probably not helping. And then let me come back. I hope I've got enough paint on there to do all 4 corners and then back to center. I say I'm getting some white popping through up there near the center. I'm going to try to go this way. And now I'm going to go, ooh, I want to go back center, but I really like that. I'm going to stop right there. I really like the way that is. Yes, it looks like a peacock feather to me. What about y'all? Yep, I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. can't see what the back looks like, I'm going to flip it around so I can check the back edge. That back corner. Check it one more time. Sorry, I got quiet. I was focusing on fixing those corners. I don't know about you guys and gals, but I'm liking that. I'll get these gloves off and get where I can see through the camera. Give me just a second. Okay, let's take a look and see what I can see through the camera here. Alright, I'm going to take the camera down and I'll be back. Okay, so I wasn't really sure what you could see, and I still don't know about the lighting. I think you can probably see my lights. Yeah, you can. You can see my lights in the shadow. But I'm going to show you as best I can. Sorry, that big white blob is the reflection from the light. And then you can see over there, I've got a photo light set up, thinking that it was going to help with the lighting issue, but overall, I'm liking it. It's peacock-ish. I like having the center over to the side instead of directly in the center. I think it gives it a little bit more interest. It's going to pull your eye over there. Well, alright, I think I had a pretty successful first strainer pour. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will get this video up, and I hope to be posting more videos real soon. Thanks. Okay, I just wanted to show you a little bit of footage of my finished strainer pour. I've got 2 coats of polyacrylic on it. As you can see a little texture in it. I think it came out pretty good. Trying to, my arm's not long enough to get a good picture of it, but so there it is, finished, 2 coats of polyacrylic, and now I just got to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back often for more videos. Thanks.